Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's look I'll have for you this very nice flawless green light fold color makeup look with a fuchsia lipstick. And my friend, this is a very nice summery, light, bright, pastel colored makeup look. So if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows with my eyebrow styler Cyan 11 medium brown with this. Then I have sculpted them up with my NYX Bear With Me concealer serum, and I have prepared my lid with my other concealer in the shade Fair by Ursa's liquid concealer. And of course I have set it up with my Kylie Girl 2-color powder cake, and now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will use my new palette by MUA Makeup Academy Metamorphosis, which is this, a very nice palette with pastel colors, and these are the colors. And today I will use this light green color. I will start with a color, the Delicate, which is a nude summery color, and this is it, a very nice nude color. And I will apply that on the whole lid. A very nice nude color, powder color. Very beautiful. I am applying it on the whole lid, and I have applied the powder. It is the first time that I am using that palette. It is new for me, I have told you. Let's see how they are, these pastel colors, summery colors. Continuing with my flat brush by Cosmofan number 110 and Eden. This is a very nice light green like the pistas color. And I'm gonna apply this matte color on the whole lid. On the whole lid, light color, yes, as I see it is a light color, beautiful color, for me that I am tanned, and applying this on the whole lid. After that, I'm gonna take my Nectar, which is this light nude pink color, and I'm gonna apply this directly into the crease with this flat big brush, not very big. I'm gonna apply it directly into the crease area. Beautiful, really pastel light colors, especially for the summer. Yes, I like these colors. I have to say they are very light for the summer. Yes, they are for the summer. And of course, over that, I'm gonna apply a foil color, which is Instar. This is a very nice, I don't know if you see it, Instar. It is a very nice color. It is a foiled green color. Foil green color. Very, very sparkle color. And I'm gonna take my Avon, which is a very flat brush. Let's spray that brush before applying that shadow. Beautiful, really sparkle shadow. Let's see if I can apply it with my finger. Yes, with my finger, this foil shadow, it is applying very, very nicely and beautiful. So yes, I can see the sparkle of that foil color. As you see, it is very foiled, light green color. Yes, apply that with your finger, not with a flat brush, it is better for you. No, beautiful color, beautiful color. Of course, connecting with the quick color. Beautiful color. Working on, continuing with my other eye of camera and coming back then. My eyes are ready, my lids are ready. As you see, I have applied all these beautiful green pastel colors, and the last is my foil green color. And I have told you my tip, my advice is to apply it better with your middle finger. It is applying better than a flat brush. And now, in this case, you don't need an eyeliner, any color. I'm going directly to my false lashes, and in this case, I will apply this type of eyelashes, which I have made it myself. These are two lashes stuck together, one shorter, one lighter, one longer. So, sometime, at the time, I have stuck them for 24 hours, them inside, and they are ready to apply them onto my lid. Coming back after I have applied my false lashes. My lashes are ready, and now moving on to the rest of the face. As usual, I'm continuing with my primer. Face Studio Prime Protected Primer SPF 30. Maybelline, as I need the most time, a moisturizing primer to apply in the whole face, because I have a combo to dry skin, as I have told you. If you have a skin oilier than me, they are in the market mattifying products that you can apply on the whole face. And of course, continuing with my lovely Golden Rose HD Foundation High Definition 115 Golden Base. I'm applying always with my kabuki brush and continuing with my beauty blender. This is my technique for you, starting with your kabuki brush and continuing with your beauty blender. I'm continuing with my Instant Anti-Age Eraser Maybelline Multi Concealer 08 Buff on the inner part, in the inner part of the lid, of the eye, on the outer part, of course, directly onto the bridge of the nose, onto the mustache area, and onto the chin area. Beautiful and very beautiful. And applying this with my beauty blender. It is the best way, so you can avoid wrinkles and harsh lines. Continuing with the other liquid product, I'm taking my cream bronzer by MUA in the shade Espresso, and this is it. I need less than from this product because it's a little dark. I'm applying it with that kabuki brush, as you see. A few of that onto the chin area, onto the jawline, and some on the nose. A few of that, because as you see, it is intense. And starting to apply it with this brush. Continuing with my Watermelon MUA Blast Liquid Cream. And this I'm gonna take with that type of brush, and this is a little intense product, I know that, but don't worry, then you will apply your powdery product and you really will be okay. And if you need another type, continue with the brush, and then I'll show you. I will continue my blending with my beauty blender. So the liquid product will be blending very beautifully. Cyan Pudding Highlighter Golden Rose. This I will apply with my finger and of course and with my beauty blender. Always the liquid product, starting with brushing, continuing with my beauty blender. taking my loose powder and applying some product with my beauty blender, I will do some soft bake on the under eye area. I will leave it about 2 minutes or 3. And on the thin area, I want with this way not to clean the area, to have a better effect. As you see, it is a powder, translucent powder, not banana. And apply, leaving it for some minutes until I'm gonna apply my other powdery product, Wet n Wild contouring palette, caramel toffee. This is my powder contouring. Onto the same point, I have applied the previous cream product. The contouring, the bronzer, we pull it down and onto the neck, as you see. The same, I'm gonna apply it with a smaller brush, and I will give some touch of contouring onto the nose. My blush elixir makeup palette, taking 2 pink colors onto the cheek, and from the same palette gonna take this highlighter, pink highlighter, onto the same point, onto the cheek area and onto the nose, directly onto the nose, and onto the cupid bow. Now what I have? Now I'm going to end up with my under eye area. So taking the same palette and applying the color I have applied onto the lid. I'm applying the same color, the nectar, with this that I have applied onto the crease. So I will apply it under the bottom eye area. Over that, I'm gonna take in Bloom, this is an undertone darker color, and this I'm gonna apply onto the bottom eye area with a smaller brush. As you see, this type of brush. Of course, the foiled color never applying on the bottom eye, it will be very ugly. We apply only the other side. And into the waterline area, continue with the Wet n Wild color highlighter into the waterline area, a color we have applied under the brows. This look I leave it as it is. I will not apply in the waterline something else, only a bottom Curl Bounce mascara. One coat on the bottom lasting, one coat, not matte. We have told many times that. And now I'm ready to dust off the excess of the powder. With my powder brush, I'm taking off, dusting off all the excess powder. Let's blend together blushing powders and all of the colors to have a better beautiful result. And the next step, lips. Elixir 56, fuchsia color. Sabrina Rudnick 61, classic fuchsia color. In this case, you don't need to apply a very nude brown color. Avoid that color, they are very dark. You need in the summer more light colors, bright. And of course, the last step, I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray, our beautiful fixing spray. So we need to do and to keep that makeup for during all the day. My friend, this is my complete finished look for you. Leave me a comment below and tell me how can you see that? How is your opinion on that? This is summer look, green look, fall colored look. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!